That was cool. Right, so what happened was these 4 guys went over here and another guy dropped in from behind me and he was chased off by another guy and they chased him through the tree there. It's quite cool. Oh, sorry seagull, I was just hitting you with peanuts there. They don't come up often. They'll push the magpies about. Right, so where are these guys then? Basically going to be blue tip food, I think, unless there's somebody on the ground. Oh, having a good look. So where are the crows then? The sausage rolls and everything. Well, I've got sausage rolls. Okay, let's just pitch a few sausage rolls to these guys. Right, this is the middle bit. In the air. Oh, it's a bit too close to me. Yeah. Oh, one of them got it. Oh, I see. Now the crows are interested. Here's the only one on the ground. He got it. Oh, dropped it. Oh. Or maybe he ate it, I can't tell. Going to the next one.